Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to learn how to make a morph animation in PowerPoint, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and let's get started. Okay guys, let's start our tutorial video by making a new slide. Let's delete everything. Go to insert. First of all, we will insert some triangular shape from the shape tool, like this. Always make sure there is no outline to the shape. Duplicate it by holding Command D or Control D from your keyboard. That's good. Now what we will do is we select, right click, format object, go to fill and give about 45% transparent. Fine. Let's keep this color. Okay. Again duplicate it, rotate to 90 degree, drag this way up, fill white color about 52 to 60% will be fine. Send it to back. Let's insert a background photo, color, anything you want. I'm inserting photo. This photo is downloaded from the onflash.com. It is a free website to download HD pictures. Right click and send it to back again. Looks fine. Now again insert a rectangular shape. Make sure no outline. Fill back color about 56% transparency. 52. Okay. Now what you are going to do is again insert a shape tool. Circle about 2 and 2. Make sure no outline. Fill it this color. Transparency about 45. Okay, duplicate it. Make it 2.3. Okay. Bring to front. Backward. Select all, make it group, fill it to black color. Okay, insert this color. Now what you are gonna do is again insert text, animation. You can use any font of your choice. Fill white color. Again select this, right click and group it, duplicate it, or you can duplicate it by Option and Shift key from your keyboard and just drag it. Now let us insert a logo. Okay. Hold Shift key from your keyboard and just resize it. Make it a bit bigger. Our design is complete now. Okay. When going through animation and effect parts, so first what we are gonna do is select this text, right click and ungroup. Similarly for all. Now what you will do is just click the text, go to home, and click this one, then make it middle. These two, middle, middle and middle. Okay, now what you can do is duplicate it. Okay, hold this one, this shape, and hold Ctrl Shift key from your keyboard and just drag it. Okay, make 32. Looks good. Again duplicate it, hold again Ctrl Shift key from your keyboard and go down, adjust it to 2.3. Okay, 13. Again we will hold Ctrl Shift key from a keyboard and just make it bigger. This one to 32. Duplicate it. Ctrl Shift key. 2.31. Make it to 18. Make it 32. That's fine. Ctrl Shift key from your keyboard and just bring this way. Now what you're going to do is click this all, hold Command key or Control key from your keyboard and select these slides. Now go to Transitions, Morph. Okay, we have applied a morph transitions. Okay, or what you go to slideshow from the slide. Sorry, go here from the current slide. Just see the magic. Looks fine. So guys, our tutorial ends here. Hope you guys liked it, and do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.